Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm just going to give you a high-level overview of the product monitoring tool and when sellers should use it. The PM tool has a number of different features and use cases. The most obvious use case is the product review notification feature, where Seller Suite will email you or text you whenever you receive a review for one of your products. This is useful so that you can promote your other products whenever you receive a positive review and take action whenever you receive a negative review. Another feature is the alert system, which will notify you whenever there are changes made to one of your monitored product listings. For example, if you have an Amazon private label product, we will notify you whenever there's a possibility that your product might have been hijacked or when you lose the buy box. This is useful to protect your product listings and to stay one step ahead of the competition. Finally, we have the research side of the tool. When you monitor a product listing, we collect over 20 different data points on the listing. After a few days worth of snapshots, we are able to calculate a product's listing score, which tells you how good the product listing is, and the competition score, which tells you how fierce the competition is for that product, as well as the volatility index, which tells you how volatile the product is from day to day.